What do you think? Mommy cook well this time? No, no. She didn't cook well, mommy. You remove it to Pop.
Ano ba nilalagay? Sorry.
Here we go, our alugbati. And while mommy is changing Baby Bella, we are going to add sili and pepper and salt. So, mabuhay Philippines! Kumusta guys? Hope everyone is well. All the family is here. Tingnan nyo. Baby Bella, mommy, and also our pusa ni Miming is here. And tingnan nyo guys, Baby Bella is super cute with her new headband for the 10 months old gift. We did a gift for Baby Bella. We have also other headband. Later we're going to show you. You are going to throw it. I knew it. Very good. Tingnan nyo to. There are 3 plus other 3 we are going to show you later. And also, yes, tell, mommy is going to cook tinola for us today. Tingnan nyo guys. We have here our Palayok. She's going to cook a really masarap food, right? Let's go in the mat. Before we go in the mat, okay? So we can play there. Very good. Today is a sunny day. We can enjoy more than the other days. Okay. Here in the mat. Take. So you will be able to throw it. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Opla. Makulit ni Baby Bella. Let's start our day. Bella! Hey! You're playing with mommy?
She's showing off.
Yes, that she can stand.
I'm putting her down, but she doesn't want. Sit down.
You're cute. Where is your headband now?
Okay, good.
Ayaw sumiyaw.
I don't like. So for today, tayo po ay magluluto ng chicken tinola. Akala namin ng ulan. Kasi the past days, it's always been raining. So I said,
Yes.
let's cook tinola.
Mommy was craving for tinola. So, tinola with a beautiful sunny day.
Well, nonetheless, masarap pa rin naman ang tinola. So, we have ginger. We will use also sibuyas, bawang. We're gonna use some ginger, tanglad or lemongrass. Konti na lang yung sili leaves natin. So we will also...
Because I bought the chili leaves actually in Robinson just the previous day, but it already become bad.
We will also use some
Sili.
and of course our papaya. I will slice that later in our chicken. Tapos dun tayo sa Palayok. Magpapalayok tayo today. The past nights na nakapagluto na kami sa Palayok, masarap siya. So ngayon, we're just gonna slice our ingredients and then dun tayo magluluto.
And tingnan nyo, the Christmas tree is so maganda. Made by mommy just yesterday.
We all did it.
Yes, so nice. Baby Bella. Yes. Also you did it. You are here with us. Yes, you did it also. Yes. Papi's here with you. What do you want? Why? Are you mad? I will take you. Okay.
No, she's watching here.
But you're watching you're watching the cartoons.
But she's looking at cat.
Oh, Mimi.
Cat.
What do you need,
Cat
Bella?
is not looking at her.
You're mad at Mimi. Okay, we know the remedy. Here we go. Very good.
She's
Our plasmon. Eat it. Ham. Masarap. Let's go on the table before that you throw it. At least will not get wasted. Eat it, Bella, eat it. Okay, let's continue to cook. Mommy will continue to cook with our cebullas. Bawang. Cebullas is this one, right?
The red one.
The onion. Oh, very good. Also Bella is going to eat. Sarap, no? Oh. Also Papi, sarap. Also Papi like. Can you give it to Papi? You remove it to Papi. You take it.
So now we are just cleaning our luya. Tinatanggal ko lang yung ano niya, yung balat, yung skin. And then I will slice it later. Yung iba nilalagay. Sorry.
Cut again.
No, that's true. I mean,
Yes, true life.
so we need to wash this. But the thing is, yung iba nilalagay po ng buo, parang ika-crush lang. Ako kasi gusto ko na may maliit-liit. Tapos, after matinola, kasi parang ang sarap niya isa-uso sa toyo. Ano, Bella?
Oh, here we go. Eating our plasmon on the mat. And guys, tingnan nyo. Sayang, it's konting maliit, Mami, di ba?
Yeah, it doesn't fit her head.
Yeah, I think it's konting maliit and she doesn't like. So, I need to go out again today and I need to go into changer because sobrang saya. Gandang-ganda, but sayang. Oh, right, baby. We are going to buy a new one of these. We are going to change it. Huh?
Replace na lang.
Yeah. Also, someone else is hungry. Meow, meow. Yes, we are going to give you also to you. Just wait. We need to cook it first.
So now naman we are preparing our lemongrass. Naalala ko tuloy yung tom yum sa Thai soup also. You haven't been to Thailand, babe, right?
No, never been to Thailand. We should have been actually if there was no pandemic. Was on our plan, but after Baby Bella came and the pandemic came, nothing happened anymore.
Yeah, I love the food there. I love it. I love tom yum soup. And sometimes we make it during rainy days. Pero spicy yun. Hindi pwede spicy kayo.
So, bawal spicy kasi I have gastritis. So, hindi pwede for me. We will go one time with Baby Bella, no? We'll go to Thailand with Baby Bella. And let us know, guys, if you are being in Thailand and you love the food there. I cannot say because I don't.
Hi to Pami, my friend.
Yes. Hello, Pami. Was here in the Philippines
And
before.
also to, Adchara.
Oh, Baby Bella is so, they're so busy eating. Tingnan nyo, guys. And watching the cartoon. Very good. At least we have a moment of peace, no? Real life, guys. Outside looks unripe, but inside it's contain ripe.
Why is already right?
Yeah. Anyway, it is what it is.
See?
We will try this. Tingnan nyo, guys. I mean, it's really, parang really unripe outside, but inside ripe na ripe. Very good. You're becoming so big now. You finish already one. Take the second. Very good. Brava, Bella. Eat it. You wanna show it on the camera? Very good, yes. We know you can eat it.
Well, I'm gonna use only half of the papaya since medyo ripe na siya. But I think we can make it as a salad eh. My friend is also Thai. Ginagawa nilang salad yung papaya na ganyan pa. Yung medyo alanganing hilaw, alanganing hinog. Pero masarap pag sinalad. Well, Mommy is a Girl Scout. I still have another half of the papaya that we used before sa pagtinola din.
And this is tingnan.
Oo, ito na nailagay ko kasi sa ref. Yung isang papaya kasi iniwan namin sa labas dito sa table. So I'm gonna use this also para hindi masayang. Ang bilis na luto ng garlic. Ang bilis na luto ng ating chicken.
Let's see. Noon. Oh, sobrang sarap ang smell.
Can you see? Luto ka agad yung chicken. Let's put the ginger. And then let's put the tanglad. And then I put the cover. Let's check na. Yan, kumukulo na siya.
Ang ganda.
Bango. Grabe. Bango. I've never smelled this sa mga nasa stove natin. Dito lang. Ang bango-bango talaga. Ang ating papaya. So nice. Even the color is good. It's good. Now we will put our water. Oops.
Let's get also some alugbati, just fresh from our garden. Tingnan nyo. Here we go. Let's cut it a bit. Here we go, our alugbati. Bella, look at here. Bella. Oh, you all dirty, like you like so much. And while mommy is changing baby Bella, we are going to add chili and pepper and salt. So our chili is here. Let's put it, and also a bit of pepper. Very good. And salt. Very good. And let's close it again. It's almost ready.
And finally, we will put our sili and alugbati leaves. Ang bango-bango naman. Super bango. Nagugutom na ako.
And here baby Bella with the pusa. Ang ganda. Miming! Miming! Gigil ni Bella Bella. Miming! Hmm? Miming! Yes! Hmm? Miming! Say Miming!
Now let's try to taste. Sarap. Okay anak, our palayok is ready, Papa.
Very good.
Yan, let's eat and let's bring the palayok here in the table. Tamang-tama. May ito yung stand.
Very good.
Tingnan mo yung clouds ngayon. Nagsisimula ng maging... Wow! Look at the baby Bella expression. Tantakan-taka siya kung ano ba yan.
This is saying like, what the hell is this?
Tingnan mo ngayon, makulimlim na. Mukhang uulam na naman. It's like gonna rain, right?
Yes,
it's cloudy
rain.
again.
It will rain.
Cloudy na naman.
Let's eat na.
Timulabas na rin her tongue is out. I think she likes the smell. Bango-bango po.
Bella. Oplala. Oplala. Your toy. Right? Very good. Very good.
Okay, so let's start serving the tinola. Bango.
So here we go, ready to eat. Rice is over there. Go ahead, Mama. I will taste right away the chicken. Tinolang Manok. Yes. Let's see. So masarap, guys. Tingnan nyo. It's so delicious. It's so tender. Every time we cook with the... this is the second time, diba? That we cook and it's so tender. Much tender than...
Meat.
Also the soup, super good. Wow. Tingnan nyo, baby. Take.
Even if the papaya was a bit dry, but still fine, right?
Yes.
It didn't affect much the flavor.
Totally fine. Sobrang sarap. I will take also Filipino power rice. Baby Bella is making a mess. He's making a mess like always.
Kasi kumakain kayo.
Oh. When we eat, she want to eat also. But of course, it's not possible. I mean, yeah, we give the biscuits. You know. Soon she will be able to eat also our food. Right, baby Bella?
Sure.
What do you think? Mommy cook well this time? No. She didn't cook well, Mommy. Mommy didn't cook well. No, Bella, no. No, guys, it's sobrang masarap.
You did like that? But why Bella?
Bella doesn't like. Bella, do not say like
Kasi
this.
naman hindi siya pinatry.
If mommy cook, you need to say always that is good because it's important the effort.
The soup with the rice, no?
Yes.
Pwede na siya.
So guys, thank you again for watching this video. We hope that you enjoy and you like it. I still need to go out. So if I found everything what I need, we'll show you also the headband of Baby Bella. If not, it's everything for now and see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.
So po, kain na po kayo. Ingat.
Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you everyone for watching us.
Salamat po. Bye-bye.